Over the last 2 decades, music has been used to help people in pain. Science has found that there are 2 psychoneurological connections between pain and music. The first of these is that both pain and music can be identified with sensory input. The second one is that a group of nerve centres is dedicated to the emotional output for both pain and music. Evidence suggests that both pain and music are perceived through similar neural pathways, with each one affecting the other. A study has been done where music therapy has been used in pain management with 11 pregnant women expecting their first child. These volunteers were divided into 2 different groups. One was a control group where the expectant mothers received just labour support, and the other group had specific music therapy guidance with their labour support. 3 times during the pregnancy, the music therapist visited each of these future mothers in their homes with the purpose of establishing a trusting relationship between each of them. In these visits, they were offered a selection of music that they could choose from if wished, and they were taught breathing and relaxation techniques that could be used with them. When the time came for each of these mothers to give birth, the therapist assisted them through it. She gave them support and took charge of their selected pieces of music for each stage of the birthing process to cope with the pain and to help them relax. Within 72 hours of giving birth, these new mothers were interviewed about their experience of using music as a coping strategy during their labour. Results showed that those who had received music therapy had found it had helped them to pace their breathing throughout the labour. The new mothers also stressed that when concentrating on the focused listening part, it had helped them to distract them from the pain. Now, curiously, it would appear that the effect wasn't only on the new mothers, but also on the newly born children. Of course, we have to remember here that the fetus was also a passive participant in this study. Many of the mothers mentioned in their interview that when playing their preferred music after the birth, the newborn settled and fed easier. The researchers have commented that this has left open the suggestion for further research in this area.